So what I'm going to speak out today is about the rise of equality in the UK. And historically, equality, if you think about the medieval world in which everyone was born into a hierarchical system in which you're a peasant or you're a noble or you're royal, I mean, equality is a very abstract idea. And so the way in which equality was made more intelligible and graspable was through the metaphor of fraternity, fraternity being kind of one of the important tripartite figures in the French Revolution, but also you see it in the earlier 18th century. But I think about fraternity, and what I'll talk about today, fraternity, not just as a kind of symbol or metaphor, but also the way in which men interact and relate and feel with one another. And so that means changes in, for instance, the way in which handshaking became more popular, the French bisou became more popular, and how that transformed from a world in which gestures such as bowing, curtsying, genuflecting, kneeling, all these kind of practices that show subordination changed in terms of how people relate with their bodies, right? And so then all that makes up the substance of how it is that we relate to each other as equals. And so then it necessarily involves how we relate to each other with our bodies and how we relate to each other differently with our bodies, because our bodies are different.